Hello, what's going on again, everybody? So, as you know, I haven't been able to post any new event coverage lately. The ones I have, it's been some older videos. But yeah, so since I can't do that, I've decided I'm going to go back to doing a couple RV videos. And I have purchased a new RV, and I thought I would give you a tour before I do any work on it. So we just got it here yesterday. I haven't done anything to it, so this is going to be kind of a walkthrough before anything happens to it, or I do anything to it. And now this video is 360, so feel free to spin around and check it out. But here it is, right over there. It's a 97 Regal fifth wheel, and it's 39 foot. Ignore the mess. We had to move stuff to get it in. The body's in really good shape. I got a couple of locks I got to replace because the key doesn't work. Try not to damage the camera. It's got 4 slugs. I'm missing the vent cover right here. So I gotta get one of them. Now I have been looking for this particular floor plan for years now. I had originally wanted I was looking for a diesel pusher again, motorhome, but when I saw this, and this is what I had originally planned to get, but I couldn't find them, so let's go inside. Gotta do something with that window. Now this thing is very nasty and dirty. Okay, here we are inside. I'm standing in the living room part right now. And we got one slide out right here. We got a nice entertainment center. Got a nice fireplace. And if you look toward the front, we have the kitchen. And like I said, this is the main reason why I wanted this floor plan, because I wanted the big front kitchen. This is a pretty rare model. You don't really get to find the front kitchens very often. So, like I said, I've been looking for one of these for several years. And I've come across a few, but they were either not good enough shape or they're just outrageously expensive. And like I said, this is an 07, and you know, I actually, up until a couple years ago, did not realize the front kitchens even existed unless they were on a newer model, like 2016 and up. So, pretty happy I got this. But as you can see, it is absolutely filthy inside. I got a few things I got to replace. I got to replace the sink faucet, the light covers. I got a light here missing with a little globe. Actually, it's in the sink, so don't have to worry about that. I just got to do a absolute ton of cleaning. The cleaning is going to be the biggest job. And I'm probably going to do some painting and change it up and remodel it a little bit. But it's all going to depend on how much and how well this cleans up. Moving toward the middle, we have the bathroom. Nice shower. Again, it's absolutely filthy. They did not clean it whatsoever. And it doesn't look like it's been cleaned in a really long time. Nice closet. Yeah, check out right here. That's so much dust. It's just crazy. Underneath here, you got your hookup for your washer dryer combo. Got to get a new doorknob. Here's a toilet. So overall, it's in pretty good shape. It's just, like I said, nasty. A few things to replace. Got to replace the mirror. And you can look at the ceiling. It's just absolutely dirty. Good sized bedroom. Spot for a TV. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing some work on this and making some videos. Go back to what I kind of originally started a YouTube channel with, doing RV and buses. So I'm pretty excited about this. And once I can go back to doing event coverage, I will continue doing event coverage. And I'll still throw some of these videos in as well as I move along on this project. But yeah, so that's it. That's the 2007 Regal fifth wheel front kitchen, 39 foot, and the newest project. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please stick around and as this thing gets transformed and worked on and whatnot. And feel free to check out my other videos. And yeah, so as always, thanks for watching and have a good one.